Here we are, second day of fishing at Waterfall, Alaska.
I can't see because I'm my contacts.
Just like you, Joe Conroy, to recap the day's events for me. The notable events.
It was cold. It was rainy. We fished for a long time without any fish, but then I believe that you broke the ice in an event we have on film, catching the first king salmon. Later on the day, I of course caught the two largest king salmon on our boat.
As well as the most.
As well as the most. What else happened? We ragged on Jerry and Lee a lot.
The feather fell.
The feather fell, and there were many curses bestowed upon you and your progeny by the Indian gods. We ate a good dinner at the lodge, and then we walked like 10 miles to the waterfall. And here we are. It's about, like 10 o'clock at night, which is 2 a.m. for us, so it's time to go to bed. So, see you tomorrow.
Signing off here from Ketchikan.
Yeah, the beautiful room.
Beautiful accommodations. And there is plenty to do in this room. Sometimes we just sit in here for hours on end. And there, of course, is the resort. We've been fogged in so far, so we'll have to get some shots tomorrow if the sun comes out of this gorgeous place. Signing off on July 17th.
Tomorrow we'll get more footage.
We will of course limit out on our...
Oh, we did limit out. We forgot to say that we limited out on boat wide on king salmon, on lingcod, and on halibut. So
yeah,
we caught a lot of fish today. Today was definitely the best fishing day of my life.
We saw some bears in the wilderness.
Oh yeah,
too.
I forgot. We saw bears. No, so bears. We were like 15 feet from bears, and I would say that Blankenship was clearly the most noticed.
Exactly.
Followed by me. That was the second most noticed. And saw bald eagles, saw dolphins today.
Saw whales yesterday.
Whales yesterday.
And you've probably noted by now in this film that none of that is on film. So we'll try to do something about that. Signing off from
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Good night. That's supposed to be a guy by the name of Baron von Hilton, the owner of the Hilton chain. He's come in for a couple nights at the lodge. All the boats getting ready to go out. We'll be on one of those this morning. Pulling in the king. So we're going to be on, heading out of here in another couple days. And I'm looking forward to that. We're going to be on that in another couple days.
Can't wait. 17. I'm going to change this roll today.
Hey Jerry, any words of wisdom? Anything you want to say?
Here we go, it's Monday morning, we got a double on, Mark and Jerry. Both looking like they're fighting king salmon. Got you on film, Hume. I got it. Jerry, you managed to hook the only halibut in here?
Yeah, fortunately, I'm just
Yes! Oh man, nice fish.
nice fish.
All right, Jerry.
Let's go get the next one. All right, Jerry, that's a nice fish. Up. Yes! The devil!
Woo, baby.
Is he Mark?
That sounds tired. He's just laying there.
Good job, guys. All right.
It's a hefty one. Wow. I don't know how they go 70 pounds. Forearm feels like
Mark.
Popeyes.
I get these frisky ones routine.
That was nice, a double hookup.
Yeah.
That was sweet, yeah. That was real nice. Get that hookup on video?
I don't know if I got the hookup. I was filming the scenery when this happened.
What's our depth? How deep is it right here? Jerry, how deep is it? What? How deep is it? 56.
56. Jeez.
Right over my head. Yeah!
Right. Job.
Nice fish.
All right. Yeah. Bald eagle. I don't know if I've ever seen a bald eagle before either. He's making his move. What'd you get today?